Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? Good morning and have a nice day. Uh, so guys, this time I'm project name SCAT. Uh, SCAT project. Uh, get more informations and okay, we are starting. Can you drop XCAT as SCAT participates in trading to shares 1 billion SCAT. Okay. Uh, can you drop Can you drop is a Can you airdrop platform launched to get where users can earn candies by completing tasks and participating in token airdrop. Okay. Can you drop is a can airdrop platform launched by Gate where users can earn candies by completing tasks and participate in token airdrop. Uh, and nationwide airdrop event is now launched where users can join in the distributions of 1 billion scat. Okay. Super airdrop by completing GT or SCAT trades of 10 USDT equivalent tokens. Okay, guys, equal 1 billion SCAT super airdrop by completing GT. GT or SCAT trade of 10 USDT 10 USDT equivalent tokens. Event time 9 June, 9 June to 28 June 2025. Total prize pool 1 billions stack individual cap or for split is 2000 scat. Okay, event time durations 9 June to 28 June 2025. Okay, guys. Total prize pool 1 billion. Cat individual cap for is applied to is 2000 scat. Okay, guys, everyone, welcome to my live channel. How are you today? Good morning and have a nice day, everyone. Okay, guys, and we get more information. Participate method. Participations method number one. Participation method number one. Method number one. Click the join button on the event um, interface. After successful joining, proceed with the trading and candy drop will start counting your valid activities activity data. Click the join button on the event interface. After successfully joining, proceed with trading and candy drop will start counting your valid activity data. Okay, participation method number two. uh, Receive receive corresponding candy based on task completions and shares the airdrop proportionally. Okay. Participations method 2. Receive corresponding candy based on task completions and shares the airdrop proportionally. Okay, and next participations method number 3. Everyone, welcome. Adrian, sit. one two, and get user come once, and many others get user. Welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? Okay, participation method number three. Candy will be distributed to users 1 to 3 hours after completing the task. Candy will be distributed to users 1 or 3 hours after completing the task. Please log in to check the candy obtained from Candy Drop 3 hours after completing the task. Okay, participation no, and we are starting participations no. We get more informations. Candy Drop. Blend join and get user many other members. Welcome, join my live channel. Scat. Scat ongoing. SCAT is a multi-VM infrastructure project that lets any decentralized application run seamlessly across multiple blockchain. Okay, guys, and uh, we look total price pool. Total price pool 1 billion. Stack SCAT total price pool 1 billions, and participants total prize pool 1 billions, and participants members 67,574. Okay, and allocated candies. Third allocated candies 75,396. Total prize pool 1 billion, participants 67,574, and allocated candies 75,396. And event ends in 9 days, 5 hours, 37 minutes, and some seconds. Okay, register. Uh, okay, there are three candies. Number one, registration open. Registration opens 9 date 2025. And candy number two, candy distributions and time. Candy distributions and time 28 date 2025. Okay, and number third, airdrop 16. 16 date 16 date 7 July, 16 date 2025, airdrop. Okay, and complete task to share complete uh, complete task to shares 1 billion scat prize pool. Complete task to share 1 billion scat prize pool. Future trading share 666 and 666 cat. Future trading to share 666 666 cat. And total tokens. Total tokens 666 cat. And individual share limit 1000 scat. Individual share limit 1000 scat each share. Everyone, welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? Complete task to Aaron Candy. Complete tasks to earn candy from prize pool. Number one, log in and participate. Log in and participates. Everyone, welcome join my live channel. How are you today? Are you here? Any person, please comments me my voice. Okay, guys, we are discuss SCAT project complete tasks on shares 1000 SCAT price pool. Future trading to shares 666 660 skit 6 scat. uh, Complete tasks to earn 666 scat and trading shares. Okay, 1 billion scats individual share limits. Okay. Complete tasks to shares 1 billion scat price pool. Future trading to shares 666 666 scat and 666 scat 1000 scat individual share limit. And next, complete tasks to earn candy drop. Dragonfly, welcome join my live channel. Mahfuzur uh, Mahfuzur Rahman Bishwa and other members, welcome join my live channel. Complete tasks to earn candy from prize pool. Number one, login and participate. Login and participate time 9. Login and participate. चलो वल्ला uh 9 day 2025 to 28 2025 duration time. And complete task 9 date to 28 day 2025. And task scat future. Task 1, scat future trading task. Trade 10 USDT worth of scat tokens in future to receive one candy. Okay, task 1, scat future trading task, and trade 10 USDT worth of scat tokens on future to receive one candy. Okay, the number of airdrop tokens redeemable per candy will be adjusted in real time based on the number of participants, and is for references only. And trade. Good luck before 88 cake. Welcome to my live channel. Get user, many other members, welcome. So guys, trade future trade scat USDT total. Scat price one, scat USDT price 0.0393 97 3973. Change amount percentage minus 0.00163 minus 3.94%. And market price 0.03 9974. Index price 0.039 74. And 24 horse high price, low price, and 24 horse turnover USDT open invest. 24 horse high price 0.042 and 0.03862. Okay, and 24 horse turn over USDT 4.00 M open interest scat 10.3 M. And founding rate countdown plus 0.0050 percent. And 103.26 and some minutes. Okay, and we look 1 minute candle average price on scat 1 minute candle average price 0.03 03960. Okay, and we look 15 minutes candle average price on scat 0.03 3980. This price is 15 minutes candle. And then look for 1 horse. Four horse candle 0.039 46. uh, 0.03 93993. Okay, and then 1 minute candle average price 0.0333978 average price today market. And market average price 0.03968. And total scat 12 24 8,800. And total USDT 958.034. Okay, and Price 0.03972 last, and you can, if you can trade, you can write this amount 10 USDT to 10 20, if any price. Okay, and next, um the positive conditions, scat 8 point, sorry, b positive 33.40% and negative 66.60 percent. Okay. Okay, and you can buy and sell short and long term. Okay. And next task 2, GT future trading task. Task 2, task 2, GT future trading task. Trade 10 USDT worth of GT tokens is future to receive one candy. One candy. This is GT future trading task trade. Uh, the number of airdrop tokens redeemables per candy will be adjusted in real time based on the number of participants and is for reference only. Okay, and trade GTUSDT. USDT settlement currency USDT and contract size 0.1 GT. Okay, and minimum price increasement 0.001 and maximum leverage 5x. Funding the rate 0.01 100% and mark price 15.380 and index price 15.400 and price cures gate. Okay, open interest 6088.568 contracts. Okay. And market price GT total price 15.375 and change percentage minus 0.205 minus 1.21% market price. Okay, change amount minus 0.205, minus 1.32%, market price 15.378, and index price 15.402. 24 horse high price and low price 15.853, and 24 horse low price 15.050. 24 horse turnover USDT 926.40K, and open interest GT 168.8090K. Okay, 1 minute candle average price, 1 minute candle, scat 15.41 to scat 1 minute candle, and then look sorry 1 minute candle average price, market chart average price 50.407, and then look 15 minutes candle, 15 minutes candle 15.390, 6 390 82 382 1 minute 15 minutes candle average price, and then look one horse candle price 15.376%. Okay. And total price, scat GT total price 15.376 last price, and you can if you any persons can trade, they'll they write amount 10 USDT, 20 USDT, or etc any also. Okay, and available 0.00 USDT margins, and is to like price TPS scatting, scatting, and reduce only buy and sell. Okay, and negative condition, positive condition, data updates based on the brides and ask at the 20 price level that are close to the last price 46.39%, and negative 53.61%. Okay, and claim up to one claim up to 1000 scat, claim up to 1000 scat, reward will be distributed on 2025 7 date 16 date 7 month 2025. The actuals uh, arrivals time shall prevail. Okay, and next, activities rule. Number one, number one, rules during the event, users with the GT contract trading volume 10 USDT will receive 1 year drop, and those with scat contract trading volume 10 USDT will receive 1 year drop. They will share a reward pool of 666 cat, with with a maximum of 1000 scat per user. Okay, and rule number two, contract trading volume, open positive positions volume plus close position volume. Contract trading volume, open position volume, plus close position volume. Okay, and next, spot trading to share 333 scat. Spot trading to share 333 334 scat, 333, 334 scat total tokens. This is a total tokens. And individual share limit 1000 scat, individual share limit 1000 and is share. Okay, complete task to earn candy from prize pool. Task 1, scat sport trading task. Sport trading volume 10 USDT, equivalent of scat tokens, will earn you one candy. Okay, sport trading. This is a sport trading. First trading, future trading, and second trading, sport trading. Sport scat for sport trading task. Trade scat USDT. USDT total price 0.03 390 and 3983, and change percentage minus 0.00188. 24 horse high price 0.0 420 4221. 24 horse low price 0.03855. 24 horse volume scat 53.73 m, and 24 horse turnover 2.18 m. And chart, we look 1 minute candle average price on scat sport trading USDT. 1 minute candle 0.039 85. And then look 15 minutes candle chart. 15 minutes candle chart 0.03967. So this is a 15 minutes candle chart on scat sport trading. Okay, and total average price 0.03981. And total scat 034 to 18.01, and total USDT 37,191.22. And this is positive conditions on scat trading 71.26% and negative 29.67%. Okay, and total price spot, total price cat 0.03 985 USDT. And amount you can if you can trade, then you write this amount, and margins totals you have available buy and sell. Okay, by scat. Ijaz Khan's gate user and many other members, welcome join my live channel. How are you today? And then we look number 2, complete task. Task number 2, complete task number 2, GT sport trading task. Sport trading volume 10 USDT, equivalent of GT tokens will earn you one candy. Okay, then we are look GT sport trading task on scat. GT token total price 15.408, and percentage minus 0.201, and 1.34%. 24 horse high price 15.8071, and 24 horse low price 15.0558, and 24 horse high price and low price. And then we look 24 horse volume GT price 221.75 T, and 24 horse turnover USDT 3.42 M. Okay, and then look 1 minute candle average price on scat GT sport. GT sport 1 minute candle average price 15.402. Then look, one day, sorry, 15 minutes candle chart, price market, sport, sport GT, scat trading 15.397, 15 minutes candle. Then look, 1 minute candle, average price, 1 minute candle, average price, 15.399, 399. आलू की दिया excuse me. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome. So, guys, 1 minute candle, average price 15.446, and GT, today, GT Sport Trade, GT Sport trading, scat, positive 66.06% and negative 41.32%. Okay, on each, get users, UID, Ejaz Khan, many other members, welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? Good morning, have a nice day. Okay, and we are complete task to trading, sport trading and GT sport trading. Okay, scat sport trading, GT sport trading, and claim up to 1,000 scat. Reward will be distributed on 16 July 2025. The actuals arrival time shall prevail. Okay, and activities rule, activities rule, rule number one, during the event, users with number one, during the event, users with GT Sport trading volume 10 USDT will receive 1 year drop, and those with SCAT Sport trading volume 10 USDT. Trading volume 10 USDT will receive 1 year drop. They will shares are reward pool of 334 scat with a maximum of 1,000 scat per users, and activities rule number two, sport trading volume, sport by volume plus sport sell volume. Okay, and term and conditions, terms and conditions. Participants must no, okay terms and conditions. Terms number one, participants must click the joins buttons on the event page. After successfully joins the events, complete the event task and identity verifications to receive the reward. And number two, reward will be distributed within 14 business days. Reward will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. Total events reward are 1 billion scats. And rules number 3. Rule number three, bulk registrations of multiple accounts, malicious volume, manipulations, wash trading, dealing, or other cheating behavior are activities prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user identity will be considered a considered a single account. Sub accounts are not eligible for participations. And question number four, question no term conditions number four. Market maker businesses and institutions are not eligible for this event. Affiliate accounts. Accounts cannot join referrals activities but can participate in all others events without restrictions. And rule number 5, in case of discrepancies between translated versions and the English versions, the English version shall prevails. And rules number 6. Get reserves for the reserves is the final right of interpretations for this event. And rules number 7. Rule number 7, user from restricted regions will be enabled to users all or part of the services, including participations in these events, games, or contests. For details information regarding restricted or regions, please refer to the user agreement. Okay. And number 8, risk warning. Risk warning users must bear in mind that cryptocurrencies trading is affected by multiple factors such as market dynamics and regulatory policies. Market prices are highly volatile and unpredictable. The pay close the please pay close attention to market risk and trade curiously. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. And then everyone, welcome join my live channel. Everyone, thank you so much you follow me so that future trading price pool. Number 1, future trading price pool. Price pool rule 1. Rule 1, During the event, user will receive one candy for a GT futures trading volume 10 USDT, and one candy for a SCAT future trading volume 10 USDT, sharing a prize pool of 666 cat with a maximum individual share of 1000 cat. Okay. And next, rules number 2. Rule number 2 of future trading volume. Number 2, future trading volume, enter a position plus close positions. And question and rules number 3. Rule number 3, user airdrop, the number of candies obtained by the users, the total number of candies obtained by all users, multiple 666 cat. Okay. And next, sport trading. Okay. And next, sport first, we are discuss future trading volumes, trading price pool rules, and number second, sport trading price pool rules. Sport trading price pool rules number 1. And rules number 1, during the events, users can receive one candy for GT Sport trading volume of 10 USDT, and one candy for a SCAT Sport trading volume of 10 USDT, sharing a prize pool of 334 scat with the maximum individual shares of 1000 scat. Okay, guys. And sport trading okay, sport trading volume rules number 2. Sport trading volume, sport by volume plus sport sell volume. Okay, sport trading volume, sport by volume plus sport sell volume. And rule number 3. Okay, rule number 3, user airdrop. The number of candies received by the users, the total number of candies received by all user, multiple 334 scat. Okay, user number 3. Rules number 3, sport trading rules number 3, user airdrop, the number of candies received by the user, the total number of candies received by all users, multiple 334 scat. Okay, guys. And next, support trading. Okay, so we are discuss sport trading this time. And rule number 2. Project introductions. Project introduction. uh, SCAT is a multi-VM structure project that lets any decentralized application run seamlessly across multiple blockchain. Okay. A project introduction. SCAT is a multi-VM infrastructure project that lets any decentralized applications run seamlessly across multiple blockchains, both EVM and alternative VMS. Okay, both EVM and alternative VMS. It also provide native access to VM specifies applications on other chain. uh, it also provide native access to VM specifies applications on other chain. on other chain. So EVM apps can operate directly within SVM or move environments. SCAT core product is the SCAT AMM, enabling a multi VM single liquidity curve across all chains. Okay, guys. Yeah. चल थोड़ी देर अंदर 12 बार दोन नंतर कर मी एक खेर ना बस Okay, get user queen technician and UID get user and many other members CI 18. Welcome join my live channel. And next, notes, and then last, notes, spot trading and future trading, scat project introductions, and these last notes. Notes number one. Notice number one, participants must click participant must click the join button on the events page, successfully join the event, and complete the event task and identity verifications to receive reward. And notice notice number two. Notice number two, reward will be distributed. Reward will be distributed to user accounts within 14 working within 14 working days after the event ends, with a total reward of 1 million scat. And rule number okay rule number 3, uh, it is strictly prohibited to register multiple sub account. It is strictly prohibited to register multiple sub accounts, engage in malicious wash trading, self buying and selling. It is strictly prohibited to register multiple sub accounts, engage in malicious wash trading, self buying and selling or any other cheating behaviors. Multiple accounts of the same verified user will be regarded as the same accounts. Sub accounts are not allowed to participate in activities. Okay, and notice number 4. Notice number 4, market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not allowed to participate in these events. Okay, notice number 4, market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not allowed to participate in this event. Okay, and notice number 5, in case of any discrepancies between the translated versions and the English version shall prevail. And notice number 6, notice number 6, gate has the final interpretations rights for these events. Gate has the final interpretations rights for these events. And notice 7. Notice number 7. Umar 21. Welcome, Umar. CI 18 and get user, many other members. Welcome, join my live channel. So guys, this time we are discuss get task bonus sketch. Notice number 7. User in restricted areas may not have access to all or some services, including participations in this event, games or competitions. For details information about restricted areas, please read the user agreement. Okay, guys, and uh, notice number 8. Risk warning. Risk warning: users should be aware that virtual currencies trading is affected by various factors such as the market and policies. Okay, risk warning: user should be aware that virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as the market and uh, and the policies. The market is the market is highly volatile, and price fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please so curious of market risk and trade carefully. Okay, guys, and get team this last discussion get team 9 June 2025, and gateway to crypto trade over 36,000 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on gateway to crypto. Gateway to crypto trade over 36,000 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. And next, take action now. Take action now. Sign up. Uh, Sign up and claim to 10,000 in welcome reward. Okay. And next, take action, sign up, claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards, and uh, invite friend and earn 40%. 40%, uh, invite friends and earn 40% commission. Okay, 40% commissions. And next, stay connected. Uh, Stay connected. Visit get official website. Stay connected. Visit Gate official websites, and download the Gate app desktop. Okay, download the Gate app and desktop. Next, follow us on X Twitter. Follow us on X Twitter to get more business. Follow us on X Twitter to get more business, and join our follow us X Twitter to get more business, and join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics and engage with our global community, engage with our global community for the latest insight. Okay, for the and engage with our global community for the latest insight and last, transparency and security. Transparency and security, check our 100% proof of reserve. uh, trans- Transparency and security, check our 100% proof of reserves. Okay guys, everyone, welcome, join my live channel. All member, thank you so much, you join my live channel, follow me. And Happy Fish, this is a new name, Happy Fish. Welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? And Parvoto, one just want to get my and many other members, welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? Good morning and have a nice day. Good day. Okay, uh, I am completing that get bonus task named scat project. I am completing the project scat. So guys, okay guys, everyone, thank you so much. And Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.